This is template spreadsheet number 1, and it has two sheets, data 1 and data 2. Data 1 is dummy data of sales, and data 2 has some short range. And let's go to template spreadsheet number 2. It is empty and has the only sheet 1. And here is my file range copier and sheet code range copier. It has sets, task ID 1, 2, file from ID, it's ID from our file number 1, and I copied it from here. Next, from sheet data 1 and data 2. Let's recall it. It's our sheets data 1 and data 2. Next, ranges from range. Here it is empty, and blank means all values from sheet. Take all values, and this time B4 semicolon C6. Let's go back to template 1, and it is B4 and last cell is C6, and this is the range B4 C6. I want to copy it too. Next, where to copy? Sheet ID and file ID is the same, and sheet name sheet 1, and cells B2. Where I want to put first range starting from cell B2, and blank means the last free row, and last, this short range will paste it at the end of it's from starting from the first free row. Clear all data 1 and 1, leave it blank to not override all data. And that's it. Let's go to Tools Script Editor. While it's loading, I will show you sheet code ini in range copier file. It is just settings. You don't need to edit this sheet. And go to our script file, range copier. It has two script files, sheet file code const.js. You don't need to change it. If you want to use this file as library, then put file ID from this range copier here, and main file called code, and test range copier. You need to launch it. Let's launch it. Select this function. It is the only one, so it was already selected, and click run. And that's it. Let's hit Ctrl Enter and see. It's the time to copy two ranges was about 1 second, and it cleared range B2H100. Let's look to our template file number 2, and here one range was copied here, starting from cell B2, and range number 2 was copied here at the last free row at column 1. And that's it. See you next videos.